Today, I'll show you how to make a classic miso soup. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Miso soup is easy to make and it has many health benefits. The Japanese drink miso soup every day with different ingredients. Today, we will make tofu and wakame miso soup, and I will also show you a shortcut, so don't miss it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started. Let's make dashi, Japanese soup stock. Dashi is the key ingredient in miso soup, so don't substitute with chicken or vegetable stock. Add 4 cups of water to medium saucepan and add 1 piece of kombu. If you have time, let it soak for 30 minutes to overnight. Once it's done, this is cold brew kombu dashi. Slowly bring the kombu dashi to a boil on medium-low heat, so you can extract as much umami as possible. Right before the stock boils, remove the kombu and set it aside. If you leave the kombu in the pot, it gets slimy and yields a bitter taste. If you are vegetarian or vegan, use this kombu dashi for your miso soup. Add 1 cup of katsuobushi and bring it back to a boil again. Once the dashi is boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and let the katsuobushi sink to the bottom about 10 minutes. Then strain through a fine mesh sieve. This is awase dashi. You can make a big batch of awase dashi and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. The spent kombu and katsuobushi can be used to make furikake rice seasoning. Here's my favorite shortcut dashi making method. Bring 4 cups of water and 2 dashi packets to a simmer. Shake off the packets to release more flavor and take them out after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the quick dashi is ready to use. It's important to add miso right before you serve, so the miso soup has the best flavor and fragrance. When dashi starts to simmer, turn off the heat and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of miso. Here, I'm using a miso muddler and miso strainer, which help dissolve the miso faster. Taste the soup and add more miso if necessary. If you accidentally add too much miso, simply dilute the soup with dashi or water. Always add the tofu after adding miso, so the tofu doesn't break. Tofu is ready to eat out of the package, so it just needs to be warmed up. Cut 7 ounces of soft tofu into small cubes and add to the miso soup. Add 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed. Reheat the miso soup until it is hot. Never boil miso soup because it loses nutrients, flavor, and aroma. Cut 1 green onion into thin rounds. Serve the miso soup and add them on top. Enjoy! いただきます。I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!